projecting through your smile, the lights behind your hands burn right through a winter fan. Sometimes I write to myself, sometimes I feel lonely, sometimes I hear your voice and it sings loudly through my moonlight in your heart. It is elastic and always starts. The metal in your teeth, it won't come out, it'll never leave. Sometimes I think to myself, sometimes I hear all the birds, sometimes I sink in the sun. It burns brighter than anyone. The colors in your eyes, they are projected